Hey, what's up everybody? So in this video, which will probably be the last video before our next drift event, we got a couple things we got to take care of. The other night while practicing my donuts and drifting, I blew the high pressure line on my power steering. So it was already kind of leaking before, but it's real bad now. So I got to get that taken off. And I ordered a new one already. It should be here on Thursday. We're also going to change the transmission fluid, Redline MT90, for the transmission. We're also going to do an oil change. So I got 530 Castrol high mileage oil, and I got a new Mobil 1 filter, and curious to pop this oil out and this transmission fluid and see what they look like. So let's get to it. Transmission fluid could definitely use a change, and as you can see, we got a little bit of metal on the magnetic plugs. There's a magnetic transmission plug and diff plug. I can't remember if the oil plug is magnetic or not, but we're going to find out here shortly. I did loosen my fill plug before I took this out. Make sure you do that first, because obviously if you can't get it loose, then you're going to be effed. So loosen that first. I put my ratchet on that and hit it with a hammer. This one I had to use my breaker bar, and it was kind of a pain in the butt to get off, but I don't think this fluid's been changed in a long time, so I'm not surprised. Alright, so while that's draining, let's take a look at this. This is the high pressure line from the rack to the power steering pump. And so there was a piece of like foam insulator around this, and it was soaked. My connection point up here at the top with the copper washers that we annealed, that was perfect. There was no fluid here at all, but from here down was soaked. So it's either leaking from right here at this seal, or I believe it's leaking from this seal right here, because you can actually see the hose is kind of seeped right there. And I mean, obviously you can't feel it, but this part of the hose right here is really like, just feels weird, like it's loose. So we got this whole thing. Also, I found out that whatever this sensor is here, which I'm assuming is a high pressure sensor, is wasn't even connected. I mean, you can see the wires are just destroyed. So we have to put this back in to plug the hole right here in the new setup, but we're probably not even going to plug this in because clearly it wasn't working before anyway. So plus, I don't really need to monitor my power steering pressure. I don't really care that much. But we do need to get these brackets off because we have to reuse those, and we got to get this out. You can see the wires are all messed up here too, so we're just gonna boop, clip that off. This guy we gotta reuse, this guy we gotta reuse. This is trash. I got the power steering line here, so we're gonna go ahead and put that in today, even though it is drizzling outside a little bit. And I wanted to show you guys my tire collection. Whew! And I got 2 more coming. But anyway, I picked up these Nankangs, brand new. Obviously, stickers still on them for really cheap. So I know they're not the best tires, but they should be good for drifting. I also got a set of Falcon 595s that I got from Steve at Garage Sideways, put on the 18s. We're going to run those on the front. And then these are my 275s. Those down there are... I don't even know what those are down there. Oh, those are my stock wheels down there at the bottom. So we'll run those if we have to. And then we got the 255s down there that I don't know what we're going to do with those. But anyway, I also have 2 more Falcon 595s coming for the 17-inch rims today. So we got enough tires for a couple events now, I think. But today we're going to go ahead and get the power steering line in. Like I said, it is, and of course now it's raining worse. So but anyway, I'm not going to film because it's raining, but yeah, I'm going to go out and get it done because it shouldn't take me that long, hopefully. So hopefully we'll be driving here shortly. Hey, what's up guys? So car's running good. I don't see any leaks from the power steering line, or the oil looks good. The transmission fluid, the transmission feels great. It's amazing how much just changing that old fluid can make your shifts feel so much better, because it is way better now, noticeably better for sure. So that's awesome, because I always thought my rough shifts were just kind of because of the crappy short shifter that I bought, but apparently not. It was because of the old ass transmission fluid. So yeah, but anyway, it's all running good. I'm out here practicing drifting on closed courses, of course, but I couldn't find anybody to come with me to film, so I learned my lesson about filming on the GoPro. You guys aren't going to be able to see it, so I don't know. If I get down there and it looks cool, maybe I'll set my phone up somewhere and try to get some footage. hopefully I got something I can put in for you guys, but I corded this tire over here. Again, these were the used tires, but you can see, yeah, see, look, here's one hanging all the way out here. Look, it's all shredded. Anyway, mission accomplished for tonight. I think we're gonna cut our losses and head home before the tire blows. Today is Friday. This video will probably come out tomorrow, but Sunday is the drift event, so hopefully Monday we'll have some good drift content again. I have the Federal 595s on the front right now. I have the used burn tires on the back, and it feels amazing. Like I don't know, I can totally feel the difference with the new tires up front. It definitely grips a lot better. I don't feel like I'm plowing as much, so you know, I'm learning a lot. I have the pressure in the front set to about 32 right now, and I have the pressure in the back at about 38, 40. So, yeah, this is running really good. Tomorrow, I'm going to go get new tires put on the back because I don't want to use these tires at the track because they are awful looking. But anyway, we're going to get probably the Nankangs and the Federals put on the 17, so we'll have new sets of tires, and we'll probably go out and practice a little more, and hopefully I'll be able to find somebody to help me film tomorrow before we get the car loaded up on the trailer. So, yeah, see you guys then. If I don't add anything else to this video, like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that little bell in the corner that tells you when my videos come out. Summertime is coming. After this event, I don't have another event until May, so I have all of April, and April is going to be dedicated to getting the 240 back on the road. All we got to do is repair some brake lines, and it is going to be getting the 300Z TT running. So stay tuned for all that, because those are going to be awesome cars. They're both my turbocharged cars, and they're both going to be equally fast. So, you know, we'll see how that goes. But like, share, comment, subscribe, do what you do. See you guys later.